How to enable fingerprint or Face ID login in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the TD Auto Finance app on your mobile device. Then log in using your username and password. After logging in, tap on the menu or settings option from the home screen. Next, go to security settings or biometric login. Here you will see the option to enable fingerprint login if you are using an Android device, or Face ID or Touch ID if you are on an iPhone. Turn the toggle on and follow the on-screen instructions to allow the app to use your fingerprint or face recognition feature. Once completed, you can now log in securely and conveniently using your fingerprint or Face ID without typing your password every time. Now you know how to enable fingerprint or Face ID login in TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.